Are you looking for the best compact treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the best compact treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill. This is a 3-manual and easy-to-handle treadmill that comes with soft drop system and preset button. Gray color steel machine is corded and electric. Weight of the machine is 103 pounds. It has LCD monitor and pulse grip. Speed of the machines ranges from 0.5 to 9 miles per hour. Some features, pros and cons of the machine include: the new standard in home fitness and exercise. The SFT7603 treadmill offers all of the necessities for an amazing cardio workout, along with any and everything all at-home fitness enthusiasts could wish for. If you have no time to go to the gym or go running outdoors, this is the solution. With this Sunny Health and Fitness treadmill, your home is your gym that will help you stay in shape. Exercising in the comfort of your own home has never been so easy, convenient, or fun. Number 2. Sunny SFT7515 Smart Treadmill. Never break your stride with the SFT7515 Smart Treadmill with auto incline by staying connected with Bluetooth and MP3 technology right at your fingertips. The SFT7515 Smart Treadmill with auto incline is packed with state-of-the-art technology that will keep you engaged and connected. The large backlit LCD monitor displays time, distance, speed, calories, incline, and heart rate. The treadmill is equipped with 12 preset interval programs that manipulate time, speed and incline. There are 3 countdown modes to target certain workout goals: time, distance, and calories. User-integrated body mass index calculator will estimate body fat based on height and weight. BMI is a reference point for users to determine goals and fitness progressions when taken in different stages of training. Integrated speakers, microphone, Bluetooth and MP3 connectivity allows user to answer calls and listen to music. The ample running space allows user to run up to 8 miles per hour and to change incline up to 12%. The treadmill is equipped with preset buttons to quickly increase speed and slash or incline. The treadmill is easy to fold up and move with the built-in transportation wheels. The soft drop system makes unfolding the treadmill virtually seamless. Let Sunny Health and Fitness keep you moving and on target with the SFT7515 Smart Treadmill with auto incline. Number 3. XTERRA Fitness Treadmill. Branded XTERRA treadmill is a large surface running/walking machine. It has 5-inch LCD display. Speed of the machine may range from 0.5 to 10 miles per hour that allows users to adjust time, distance, pulse and calories. Specifically designed for the home environment, the TR150 incorporates numerous thoughtful features that were developed with your performance and comfort in mind. Hand grip pulse sensors are conveniently mounted on the side handlebars to help keep you in your training zone. Start on the road to fitness today with the XTERRA TR150 treadmill and exceed your expectations. XTERRA soft cushion deck technology for maximum impact absorption keeps joints safe and workouts comfortable. For added convenience, an integrated book rack and accessory holder keep your reading material, remote control and anything else you want close by. Number 4. SereneLife Foldable Treadmill. This bike is made up of aluminium and has sport connection. The treadmill comes with FitShow Sports app that can make boring exercise interesting. You can turbocharge and improve your stamina to lose the weight faster. The SereneLife Smart Digital Treadmill machine is an excellent choice for fitness enthusiasts who have little time to go to the gym. With this home exercise trainer you will be able to achieve your dream body at the comfort of your own home. With this treadmill, your home becomes an ideal gym for you to stay in shape. SereneLife SLFTRD35 features a stylish contemporary space-saving folding design with reliable, sturdy frame for easy storage. It features a powerful but quiet motor that is strong enough to hold long-distance running sessions and versatile to meet different needs for all of your family members, a useful display to help you track time, calories, distance, speed, and heart rate. It also pairs to your device via Bluetooth, Download the FitShow app and get connected to record and review training data, display training stats and challenge friends, and share fitness data on social media. Works with iPhone and Android phones. Number 5. Exerpeutic TF1000 Treadmill. Electric walking treadmill by Exerpeutic is a corded machine that comes with LCD display. Machine has a 20-inch wide treadmill belt. You can easily walk and exercise in your own home. Machine is transportable and foldable. The Exerpeutic TF1000 Walk to Fitness Electric Treadmill is an effective way to burn extra calories and achieve a healthy lifestyle. Walking on the Exerpeutic TF1000 is one of the easiest and most effective ways to achieve a regimen of regular exercise. Unlike outdoor walking, treadmill fitness walking has the benefits of shock absorption and the convenience of exercising in your own home, in front of a TV, or just listening to your favorite music. Walk to Fitness can help you lose body fat, tone muscles, and is a great way to stay in shape. As for assembly, the Exerpeutic TF1000 is virtually assembled out of the box. Attach the computer and you are ready to go. So go ahead and try the Exerpeutic TF1000. It can take the punishment. The Exerpeutic TF1000 supports 400 pounds user weight *, allowing you to walk your way to fitness at any age and body size.